I'm criminal defense attorney Michael Becker with the Colorado Legal Defense Group. In Colorado, leaving the scene of an accident is a serious crime with severe consequences. Many drivers panic and flee, not realizing they are making a bad situation much worse. If the accident involves only property damage, it's a Class 2 misdemeanor, but the penalties escalate dramatically if someone is injured. If there is a non-serious injury, it becomes a Class 1 traffic misdemeanor, punishable by up to a year in jail. If the accident results in serious bodily injury, you are facing a Class 4 felony with a potential prison sentence of 2 to 6 years. And if someone is killed, it is a Class 3 felony, carrying up to 12 years in prison. The law requires you to stop, provide your information, and render aid, which usually means calling for help. Fleeing the scene is never the right choice. If you or a loved one is facing criminal charges related to leaving the scene of an accident, don't wait. Call us immediately for a free consultation at 303-222-0330. The attorneys at the Colorado Legal Defense Group will fight to get your charges reduced or dismissed.